Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in C language to convert pound to kilogram. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, we are aware that 1 pound is equals to 0.4536 kilograms, right? Now let's start writing the program, and this same conversion rate we will use. So first of all, in any C program, the very first thing that we perform is to include any header file that might be required. So in this particular program, we will be requiring printf and scanf functions. So if we want to use printf and scanf, then we have to include a header file called stdio.h. So let's include it firstly. Now let's start our main method in order to start writing the program. So the very first thing that we are going to do in this program is to take input from the user, whatever the weight is there in pound, right? So we have to declare a variable for storing that. So let's have a variable of floating type called pound itself. Now let's ask the user to enter the weight in pound. Now let's say the user has entered the weight in pound. Now let's say the user has entered 100. Okay, now we as a programmer have to make sure that that 100 gets stored in this particular variable called pound. So this thing we can perform easily with help of a function called scanf. So we'll simply write scanf and then modulus, the data type is of float, that's why we'll write f. Okay, and then where exactly we have to store, so we have to store it in the variable pound, so let's give pound. Right now up to here we have got that particular value, that whatever the user has entered. Now we have to convert it to kilogram, so let's declare a variable called kg. Now see this conversion rate. So what it is saying, so it's saying that 1 pound is equals to 0.4536 kilogram, which basically means that x pounds is equals to 0.4536 into x, right? So the same logic we will apply over here, and we'll say that okay, the conversion rate is nothing but 0.4536 times of x. So x is what? X is pound, whatever the weight the user has entered, right? So this is what we were looking out for. So let's print this up. Now let's return 0 and run this program to see everything working. And here you can see that it's asking me to enter the weight in pounds. Let it be 100, and boom, here you can see that the weight in kilograms is this. Now let's try out with a different input and let it be 0 in order to check the 0 case as well. And boom, here you can see that weight is 0. So this is how we can write a program in C language to convert pound to kilograms, wherein the pound would be provided by the user and we have to calculate the kilograms. So this was all about the video. Thank you.